In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the mailbox in Grow a Garden 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, in order to use the mailbox, what you need to do is go to your garden. You're going to see the mailbox right here. Go ahead and interact with it, and it's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this. You essentially just need to go through, select any of these people. For example, I'll select this person right here, and then you can go ahead and send them stuff as well. Now, obviously, you need to be able to send them certain stuff. You can send them gears like tools, sprinklers, watering cans, signs, or other items that you have. Just choose it, send it to them, and then of course once you go in and do that, they can open up their mailbox and they'll receive it in there. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.